Hello. Today we are at a wine place, and we saw at the parking lot. It was like, like a parking, but actually like a barking, like a dog. And because this place is for dogs, I'm sure people bring their dogs here a lot. And here's a cemetery that they made with a nice statue and a big tree. See, that is the sign that they made. See, it says dog cemetery. That's a symbol of the wine. And see, they made a little dog right there. It says dog cemetery. And for the names of the dogs, there it's Rover. Wait, what does it say? Yeah, Rover. Idolita. Major. Hunter. Right there. Hunter. Hungry, the little one.
Let's see what this is, honey.
Pink. I'm sure that was a girl.
So that's where all these dogs are buried.
Spud.
How great is this?
They really love dogs.
They really love dogs.
Buzz. Chippy. Nelly. That's what they named the wine after. Rex.
Rover was 13. Major
And
was 14.
Jimmy. Thank you for watching.